Hi, I've been sick since the day after Christmas, thanks to my family who didn't tell us they were sick when we went to see them for Christmas. So I watched Gordon Ramsay videos the other day on YouTube where I learned this scrambled eggs recipe, which he says is like the best way to make scrambled eggs. What you do is you're supposed to crack the eggs on a flat surface, put them into a cold pot. Add a few slices of butter to the egg mixture and then carefully and slowly cook it on the stove until it starts to form and turn into a more edible scrambled egg mixture, not realizing that it takes eternity for the eggs to cook. And I did my best not to overcook them. Unfortunately, we didn't have a non-stick pot this size at the time, so I used this really good stainless steel pot, which it did stick to obviously because it's not non-stick, but it did take forever and a day to cook. This was the longest scrambled egg experience I've ever had in my entire life. I'm hoping that with a non-stick pan it won't take as long to cook. And what Gordon Ramsay also recommended was every so often you take it off the heat, stir it, scrape it off the walls, and then put it back on the heat. Eventually it did start to cook, as you can see here, and little by little you put it on, take it off, gently turn up or down the heat depending on how it's going, and then little by little it will come together. And it broke up a little more than I would have liked, because when I usually make scrambled eggs, or used to make scrambled eggs the way I did it, they were nice and fluffy and big pieces, not little things like this, as you see here. When the eggs are almost done cooking, you're supposed to add a dollop of creme fraiche or sour cream, as we have here in the United States. I don't even know where to buy creme fraiche, so I used a nice dollop of sour cream and garnished it with fresh chives, just like Gordon Ramsay did. I also put a little bit of salt on top, crushed Himalayan salt, and a little bit of paprika because I didn't like the pepper we have at home. To go along with our scrambled eggs, I made some bacon in our air fryer, which I found to be so much better than anywhere else I've made it.